10 traditional Nigerian dishes that will take you straight to Africa. Nigerian cuisine is rich, vibrant, and packed with bold flavors that reflect the country's diverse cultures. Whether it's the smoky goodness of jollof rice, the heartiness of egusi soup, or the spicy kick of suya, each dish tells a story. Let's explore some of the most popular Nigerian meals and what makes them so unforgettable. Here's a quick look at the 12 traditional Nigerian dishes before we jump in. 1. Jollof rice. This rice dish is actually the national dish of Nigeria. It's one of the most well-known Nigerian dishes and is often the first food that foreigners associate with when it comes to Nigerian cuisine. Jollof rice is made from a base of rice, tomato, and broth that's cooked down with bell peppers. Enjoy a taste of Nigerian food with this simple yet authentic dish, which is bound to show up on the menu at almost any Nigerian restaurant. Fufu. Fufu is one of the most popular Nigerian dishes because it's a hearty filling addition to any meal. Fufu is a starch ball that you make by boiling plants like rice, cassava, or plantain, or even yam. You grind the starches into a paste, form them, and then boil them again to make fufu. For those who aren't familiar, the texture is somewhere between bread dough and mashed potatoes. Nkwobi. Nkwobi is a spicy meat dish that originates from Nigeria's Igbo people. Nigerians typically make nkwobi with cow leg, but some people use cow feet, goat meat, or wild game to make it too. This hearty meal stew makes for delicious street food. It's not unusual to see Nigerians eating nkwobi over a beer at a bar. It can take a long time to stew nkwobi, but the rich flavor of this Nigerian dish makes the effort worth its while. Another on the list is ogbono soup. The main ingredients for ogbono soup is ogbono seed, which are the seeds of a Nigerian plant known as wild mango or bush mango. This soup is usually made with a variety of leafy vegetables, fish, and palm oil, although the exact recipe will differ by household. Ogbono seeds are available to purchase online if you don't have an African food store near you at home. Suya. A recipe from the Hausa people. Suya is a savory protein dish. It's typically made with seasoned beef or chicken that is grilled on a skewer. Suya is the name of the seasoning mix used to coat the meat. Nigerians often serve suya with a groundnut sauce to round out the dish. Egusi soup. Egusi soup is a one-pot meal that packs in vegetables and protein. The main ingredient is egusi, which is ground or milled melon seeds. The soup usually includes local beans, fish, and leafy vegetables like water leaf, pumpkin leaves, or bitter leaf. Don't forget to serve your egusi soup with fufu or eba, or even pounded yam on the side. Another on the list is pepper soup. Pepper soup is one of the oldest dishes in Nigerian cuisine, known for its bold, fiery flavor. The broth is spiced with a blend of native ingredients like oziza seeds, calabash nutmeg, and atarodo, which is scotch bonnet peppers. It's usually prepared with meats like goat, chicken, or fish, and the soup is served piping hot, often as a remedy for cold or simply as comfort food. Pepper soup is traditionally served at Nigerian gatherings, celebrations, and wakes. The origins trace back to many ethnic groups in Nigeria, each adding their own twist to the recipe. Ofada rice and ayamesia. Ofada rice is a unique, locally grown Nigerian rice known for its unpolished grains and slightly earthy flavor. Unlike long grain rice, ofada is short and brownish, giving it a distinct texture and taste. It's paired with ayamesia, a green pepper sauce made with a blend of green bell peppers, scotch bonnet, onions, and locust beans. This dish is particularly popular in the southwestern part of Nigeria, especially in Lagos and Ogun State. Ayamasi, also known as designer stew, is notorious for its heat and flavor. The sauce is often cooked with palm oil, giving it a rich, savory taste, and is typically served with fried or grilled protein like chicken, goat meat, or beef. Next on the list is okra soup. Okra soup, also known as okra soup, is a dish made from okra, a vegetable native to West Africans and parts of Asia that was introduced to the Americans through the transatlantic slave trade. Okra gives the soup its thick and somehow slimy texture, which is loved by many. The dish typically includes proteins like beef, goat, or fish, and leafy greens like spinach or ugu, also known as fluted pumpkin leaves. Okra soup is a versatile dish that varies in preparation across different regions of Nigeria. It is often served with fufu or eba, making it a hearty and filling meal. Number 9 on the list is puff puff. Puff puff is a popular snack in Nigeria, often sold by the street vendors. It's made from a simple batter of flour, sugar, yeast, and water, then deep fried until golden brown. These sweet, doughy balls are a staple at parties, celebrations, and street markets, making them a beloved snack for Nigerians of all ages. The recipe for puff puff is versatile and can be adjusted to suit different tastes and occasions. Some vendors add a dust of powdered sugar, while others infuse the batter with nutmeg for extra flavor. The next on the list is chin chin. Chin chin is a crunchy, deep fried snack made from dough flavored with sugar, nutmeg, and occasionally milk. It's a common sight at Nigerian celebrations, from weddings to birthdays, where it's served alongside other snacks. Chin chin's crispy texture and sweet flavor makes it a favorite treat to both adults and children. This snack has West African origin and can vary slightly depending on the recipe. Some versions are soft and slightly chewy, while others are more crispy and crunchy. Chin chin is also sold in stores and markets, often packaged for easy snacking. That's it, my lovelies. We've come to the end of this video. Till I see you next time, it's goodbye from Naija Foods.